Alright, good evening to everyone out there. This is Justin Tomlin from Statesville, North Carolina. For those of you who don't know where that is, it's above Charlotte in North Carolina, obviously. Today's date is December the 9th, 2010. The time is currently 10, what is it? 10:19, 10:20, 10 something like that. But tonight I'm going to talk about this weekend storm. Might not get the video posted on the blog till tomorrow morning, but we'll see about that. I'll have a new video bright and early in the morning, and I'm gonna get up early and stay up early so I can get the video done. AccuWeather.com models right here is what I'm showing you. Let me see. I'm gonna try to make it to where you can see them. I promise I'm gonna try my hardest. Alright, there. Hopefully you can see these. Okay. Right here, let me zoom in a little bit. Alright. I know you can't see North Carolina. Hold on a second. There's the state of North Carolina. Okay? Got it? Let me zoom out just a little bit. Okay. Alright. There we go. Okay. Here's North Carolina. The system has not yet developed. Maybe the energy's still way out in the Pacific, so when that starts to develop by tomorrow we'll have a better grip on it. The models are still not in agreement like I'd hope they'd be by this time, but they're not. Right here, okay, here is the GFS, or no, this is the SREF at December 12th, Sunday, 4 a.m. and let's see, I don't even know that I want to show you this one. Hold on. Okay. And there's your low pressure center up here. I'm not quite sure how to. Okay. Alright. There's low pressure center right up here over Lake, whatever that is, east of Michigan. And then here is the snow accumulation. Or let me show you the SREF. It goes on out and a secondary low develops in North Carolina and it's up the coast by 10 p.m. Sunday. Total accumulations from the system brings in, if you look down, we're in the green here in Statesville. Didn't mean to do that. What did I do? Here in Statesville, but we're in the green, so that translates to about an inch or so of snow. Here is the no gaps model. This is a pretty healthy snow. 7 a.m. Sunday, the rain's starting to spread in, 78. There's no temperature markings on this map, so I can't really tell you what's falling right now. I imagine that's starting to transition over to snow for us at 1 p.m. Sunday. By 7 p.m. it's all snow, and there's quite a bit of it over most of North Carolina, especially the western part. Let's see. Go on out. By 7 a.m. Monday, it's gone. Here's the Japanese model, okay, and it's got the system developing way down here, and it's in between Georgia and Alabama by the time in that 7 a.m. and in between 7 a.m. and Sunday and 7 a.m. Monday, the systems move through, and taken verbatim, that's a pretty good snow system through the state of North Carolina. The Japanese hasn't showed this solution at all before. This is the first run that showed this. Could it be a trend? Maybe. Pretty late for trends, but it might. I don't necessarily believe that solution right as of now. But that's one to look at. Here's the GFS ensemble. Low pressures. Oh, damn. Okay. Here's all the way back out to 7 a.m. Sunday. Main low pressure system over Ohio. Secondary low, it's trying to develop off the coast or in North Carolina, maybe some on Virginia, and then that turns into the main one, goes on up, goes through the New England, and blah blah blah. Okay, and here's the total accumulated for the GFS, and that's showing maybe an inch around here. Here is the DGEX accumulated snow cover, and it shows no snow for us. Well, but I think this might be, I can't tell you if this is 6 hour or total. If it's 6 hour, then the DGX doesn't go far back enough to see the storm. But anyways, then here is Sunday with the GFS. showing some snow spreading into the region by 1 p.m. Sunday. So there's different solutions, different timings on each solution. Maybe tomorrow we'll have a better grip on that. I know I've been saying that since yesterday, but the models just really haven't came together like I thought they would and like they normally do. The system's going to be a hard one to figure out. This system is going to go up here and intensify. It's going to intensify north of New England, and due to that intensifying and the blocking from the negative NAO, that will send systems a little further south. So if you don't see snow from this one, maybe from the next one we do. Thursday looks kind of interesting to see some wintry precip around North Carolina, and then we got a couple more after that. And let me show you the NAO. It's negative still. It's been negative since the halfway through November. It's going to stay negative. And I've been reading some blogs and stuff, and this model, I mean, doesn't show you how far out, but I've heard some talk about, and you can see it's topping right here and starting to go back down, so that's an indication that we're going to have another system the 22nd or so. Here's the 16th of December. There is a storm system. Alright, but as you can see, 16th of December, which is around the time, kind of the time we're going to have the system through. The storm system came at the end of the month. Here's the storm system now, and then it starts negative around, say, 20th ago, and then leading to other storms that might be right for Christmas. Could guarantee a lot of people Christmas could be in on possible. Talk about that a little bit closer to the time. And after that, NAO is negative pretty much on into January. It's like I'm reading a couple of like and they're hinting at that. So if that happens, then January cooler than that. My winter fast for January would be a bust. But I have to see that. That good thing if it was a bust, because predicted a average, not a average for January. Here the PM. Right now we're going to trend. It's good to positive. This Pacific North American, I think, is what that's for. It goes positive, and goes positive. That means some systems or increased potential wintry weather against North Carolina. So that's the thing. Here is the articulation, and articulation when it's negative temps are pretty sure. Here's the PNA. You see during PNA above, or let me see, above average or low average temperatures just across eastern US, and then the articulation. Here we go, low. Pretty sure articulation when it's negative, that means it's colder than average in the east. No, it's either cool or stormy, but pretty sure it's cold is what it says. Let me see, yeah, negative, because positive Arctic oscillations, okay, so it'll be colder, negative Arctic oscillation, and you can see it's tanking by 18, so we're going to get rolled right this week, when it's to get rolled hot out of me someday, and then use negative on into where it looks, might try to get its head off into the box for a little. We'll see what's out to date. It for tonight, meant to have mentioned by his name, they questioned what model thing stood for. EFS, that's the casting system. It's a model most people meteorology use. ECMW is the European model. And the DX, I'll check these. I don't know what they mean. I just know the models I'll get. The UK Met, I'm sure JM is a Japanese model. UK Met, not sure what that means. It have something with the United Kingdom. We'll see. But I'd be sure to ask a question. But anyway, about it for tonight. I hope you have a good night, and I'll put a new video in the morning. Talk to you then. Okay, that's me. Bye.